Rewarded play coin charges can look confusing when the same activity appears more than once, but duplicate charges usually need to be checked through your account history and transaction details. By the end, you'll know how to check for duplicate coin charges, what information to collect, and what steps to take if the charge appears to be incorrect. Section 1 is checking your rewarded play activity. Open the Rewarded Play app and review your account history, or coin activity. Look for the dates, game names, and coin transactions connected to the charge. A duplicate entry can sometimes happen because the same activity appears more than once in your history. Checking the full transaction details helps you confirm whether coins were actually removed twice or if the activity is only displayed more than once. Compare the duplicate entries carefully. Check whether the amount, date, and activity description match. Section 2 is checking the game and account connection. Rewarded play tracks progress through connected games and account activity. If your coins do not match your expectations, confirm that the correct game account is connected and that the progress was recorded properly. Make sure the Rewarded Play app is updated to the latest version. App issues can sometimes affect how account information appears. You can also close the app and reopen it to refresh your session. This can help display the latest account information. If you recently installed a game, completed an offer, or reached a reward milestone, keep any confirmation details available. These details can help explain what happened if you need assistance. Section 3 is contacting Rewarded Play support. If you confirm that coins were charged twice or the account history does not match your activity, contact Rewarded Play support with complete information. Include your account details, the name of the game or offer involved, the date of the transaction, and screenshots showing the duplicate charge. A detailed support request gives the team the information needed to review the transaction instead of asking for missing details later. Avoid deleting the app or removing account information before the issue is reviewed. Keeping your account history available makes troubleshooting easier. The key points are simple. Check your coin history, compare duplicate entries carefully, and send clear transaction details if support needs to investigate. Your next step is to open Rewarded Play, review the coin activity, and save screenshots of any duplicate charges you find. If this guide helped you fix a Rewarded Play coin charge issue, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.